What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin. I figured today, being Wednesday, I'll show you my worms. Worm Wednesday. Check it out. So here's my worm bin. Right underneath the coffee filter is where I did the last feeding. And I don't know if you can see, but it was pumpkins and they've started to sprout. So some more food for them. So I'll just pull out all these. We'll check down. A couple of wormies. A few more pumpkin seeds. Wow, they ate everything up. I don't even see any skin. That is very cool. So what I like to do is toss the whole bin, just so if they're all down at the bottom, I kind of flip them around a little bit, so then if they end up going back down, they'll create kind of new pathways and new areas to make castings. I threw a potato in there just in case to see if anything sprouts. There's a couple of nice looking worms. So I'll put the feeding kind of right back in the center again. And I started freezing all my food. Is a banana peel, a pepper from the garden that started turning, and looks like a couple bits of radish. So we'll see how they make out with that. I'm gonna bust the kind of make sure, oop, it's open. It's a little wet from being in the freezer. And then I'm gonna add some eggshells for grit for them, and then make sure I cover everything back up. Add my coffee filter, and then I normally give just a little spritz of water. Over here you can see I got some eggshell containers. It's just kind of taking up space until this volume fills up, and then I can kind of spread everything all out. I forgot, I'm going to add this toilet paper, paper towel roll, hotel condominium in for them. I'm just going to spray it with a little water and then bury it on this far side. And if they want to hang out, they can hop on in. Sweet. Well, that was a quick update on the worm bin and showing you a quick feeding. Happy Worm Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, comment, subscribe down below.